Hey people, today we're going to fix or connect a JM 1000B floodlight LED lamp. It's a 12 watts floodlight and 1000 watts halogen. It's an LED. So today we're going to see how to connect this. It's an elite elegance ideas lightweight of the world. Let's open it and connect it, fix it. I want to fix it. Okay. Yeah. I'm used to those that have an extension wires here, but looks like this is different. Okay, most likely the wires are inside here, so we will open this. Yes. See, this is the red, this is the live wire, the earth wire, and this is the neutral wire. And the connections are complete. I'll bring my wires and connect them from here, pass them through here so that they pass out. They come through here. Open. So let me look for my wires and connect them so that I'll be able to connect them to the source, power source. So I have these connection wires. I think I'll use this. Ideally, we're supposed to use these colors, but I don't have. This is just ideal, so long as they are apart. So I'm going to connect them here. Just open. Guys, I'm using a flat instead of a screw. The other screw, the star. Already, I bought these things. I can't find them here, so I'll use whatever I have. Out. The one colored wire, I'll have to mark for identification purposes. This is the live wire, this one, and this is the earthing. So I'll mark this as the neutral wire with black. So the neutral wire has a black tape here. Neutral. identifier. So this is a neutral. I know this one I'll identify it with this extension here. This is the live wire, and this is the earthing. So let's check if this floodlight is going to work. So I've connected my live wire to the right and the neutral wire to the left on the socket, and the earthings on top always. Okay, let's switch it on. Yes, it worked, people. Ready to transfer this as a security light outside the house. So our checking has worked. So I want to replace this security light with a floodlight. I want to screw it out. Maintain this washer. Go this out too. What is coming out? Okay, this is where we're going to connect our floodlight. I've extended the connection from this previous security lamp because I want to raise it, so I've fixed it at the apex of this roof. So this connection is complete here, but looks like this wiring was not done professionally, because you see this earth wire, there's no earth wire from the internal wiring of this house. So we'll just connect it to the live wire, and this is my neutral wire. So the connection is almost complete. The installation is almost complete. I want to screw it or hang it somewhere here, and we'll be done. So what remains is just to switch on and switch off for light provision. Okay, thank you.